Hello everyone, today I will be making one of my favorite keto and low-carb paella dish. So straight into the ingredients, I am going to place a tablespoon of butter with a tablespoon of ghee straight into the frying pan. Then I'm going to add 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Then I'm going to add half a sliced red onion. For my paella today, I added diced chicken. However, of course, you can use any meat or seafood if desired. Then mix together till the meat browns. When browned, I am now adding the vegetables. I have sliced bell peppers. To that, I am adding sliced carrots and green chili peppers. Then you can add either cauliflower or broccoli slices. Then mix. After, I am adding some Turkish red pepper paste. This is the one which I found at Tesco's, or you can use any other mild pepper paste. To that, I am now adding some chicken stock and then mix. Now it's time for the condiments or seasonings. Here I have some curry powder, white pepper, red pepper, and turmeric. And I'm going to mix again. The mixture is getting quite thick, so I'm going to add some more chicken stock. I'm going to add some salt to taste. For this paella dish, I'm going to use some konjac rice. So I find my konjac rice from Holland & Barrett or Amazon. So I'm going to use 1.5 cups. On its own, this rice is tasteless, but I found a way to make it tasty and a filling dish. To give it that nice rice consistency, I am going to add a tablespoon of arrowroot powder, or an alternative is cream, and then I'm going to mix together. I'm going to add a bit more chicken stock before allowing the konjac rice to soak up the liquid. Our paella keto dish is now ready. The konjac rice has soaked up all the liquid. To garnish, I am going to add some coriander, lemon slices, boiled eggs, and gherkin slices. I hope you try it out. Please let me know any questions. I'll be happy to help. And until next time.